What's up, guys? John Cacchione here with Earthworks. We're back again at an awesome job. We're in the Avondale area this time, down in Riverside in the historic district. So usually I'm at the beach, but they made me come downtown today and I had to wear shoes and stuff. So come back here, let us show you the project. This is our little access area, so you can see it's pretty tight. We did have to get some big rocks back here, a number of plants, some flagstones. And right here it got really narrow. Doesn't look like he hurt any of the succulents or anything getting in here, so that's how good the guys are. So in the backyard back here, guys, we already had a swimming pool, a spa. She wanted to create just a little bit more of a water atmosphere, something she could enjoy at night and have another little entertainment area. I thought this corner over here lent itself really good to that. And you can see we created a little walkway. We got it lit for her at night. This is shaded by a big pecan tree, which is another cool aspect. Hey Mike, I think he's kind of blocking the water feature right now, but we care about our plants. They go dry in the middle of the job. The irrigation's not quite up to par yet, and we hand water. So look at that. I went ahead and redid the landscape here. They had some old azaleas and some things that just had a lot of weeds in them. So we were able to take all that out and give them a fresh look here. The crepe myrtles are gonna give them some privacy too on this condominium that's right next door, kind of looming over us. So I thought that was a nice idea there. Just some pops of color with the sunshine ligustrums, groups of the cleyera that will get up to the fence height and have a nice glossy leaf on them in the future. And then we have all that lit up at night too. That's really gonna be pretty.
This project was really cool because it was really fun.
Oh, I smell.
Yeah, I'm trying to get to the mic, not smell.
Does that smell good?
Well, yeah, John always has really fun designs. You know, he's really good at...
They're easy?
Yeah, no. I mean, not. A couple of our plants got a little dry on us this morning, so I'm just giving them a good soaking right now. Underneath all this mulch, we have a drip irrigation system that's going to be running every day for the next month or so to get these guys established. Besides that, we're wrapping things up here. We got our trees with our nylon staking kits. Water feature's up and running. We just need to gravel the vault lid, and we're gonna be working our way out of here soon, just cleaning up behind us. We left a couple track marks from the machine. That's no big deal, just a little scrubbing of this patio. It'll look like we were never here. So you've seen a lot of our projects in the past, a lot of Pondless Waterfalls, similar size. Like I've said before, each one's different. Really cool thing about this project, I think the main, focal waterfall in this is created with just this one rock. So from this point over to here, back to there, this is a nice, I don't know, close to 400-pound rock right there. Chris noticed all those little rippling edges that it had on it. He goes, hey, let's build a waterfall with it. I don't know. I think it took a couple tries to figure out exactly if we could or if we should, but it's there now, and this is definitely one of my favorite projects, and I think it has a lot to do with that one little rock there.
Has a lot of oomph.
Has a lot of oomph.
Oomph. You know what that is? Oomph.
Alright, I don't want to do that. I'll come back to me again.
Oomph.
Get the wink. Quick wink. There you go. I don't like that one. That's not. Or wait. What's mine? Mine's finger.
Saw us goofing around. That's how we act all the time, especially those guys. Being from the Carolinas, guys, this was something I'm used to seeing there in the Queen City. You get a lot of these old style brick homes, the front facing porches, the old school wrought iron. You don't see that a lot typically in Florida. That old southern living type look is very pretty, very elegant. You see a lot of beach designs, particularly with me, but this just really brings me back to where I started the whole thing. Just doing these layered designs like this with more evergreen things. You don't see a lot of palms. You don't see a lot of things that are just remind you of the tropics. This is all a very sculpted, very stately look. The architecture itself just speaks that. So just something you don't typically see, but something I'm really used to doing. So let us know how we can handle your house. Is it tropical? Is it Mediterranean? Is it an old Riverside, Avondale historic house that we could restore the landscape to what it used to be? you know, just to complement the house. Is it a certain paver? Is it a certain brick that'll bring that nostalgia back? Let me know. I can come up with a lot of creative ideas to do that. Look us up on Facebook, YouTube, follow us on Instagram. Come see us at the Garden Center at Beach and Kernan. And again, follow me, John Cacchione, again with Earthworks, guys. Thanks a lot.